wena maka baba ufuna ukuthi umaka Matali. Come on.
Ona Mzansi igama lami uX. Mzansi, mawungazangana kimi uzohlala nami phansi eRosebank officeini lami. Leyo akusi X-ray ibo. Sithithe kulama number lawa alana below escreenini ukhulume nathi officeini bese bazokubhukhela ukuthi uze nini sizoyenza iback story. Le ndaba entertain ama social media X-ray bayikazi yahlala ku social media. Ngeke uzuyithole. Ngiyazwa bathi hayi khona umuntu ukhuluma njengawe as long as umuntu aku social media is scam. Wazi officeini eRosebank uzohlala nami phansi asambe sibuku namhlanje njengoba sila officeini sisiza bani simsiza kanjani. Sanibonani.
Yebo.
Naphila.
Saphila.
Igama lami Mr X. Baba ubani?
Baba Justice.
Roger?
Justice.
Usesi.
Onile.
Unganisiza ngani?
Since 2022 regular stand go Ntate Paul Matlare. Udula go YCT but stand is go Flag Fontaine. So re tsamele le yena ne gona le agent le lawyer. And then after we supposed to move in December 2020 ke ga go ba le di issue re find out gore there is someone adula standing sale.
So manizosithenga le stand list beninga verifyanga ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaso.
Sisahamba ne-agent sakhona laphana.
Yeah.
Wenza sasiview. Yabona. Sathola ukuthi siright nelo yasho ukuthi siright lesabo la bantu. Then we had to pay that amount of 50,000. Then sabona ngamina ngakala manamba wala umuntu ohlala lapho.
Yeah.
Yabona. Mangimfonela umuntu wathi mina ngiyaphumela istanisa ngikalabuzo. Mina ngiphumela ngabona ukuthi lento lengcono ngikhansele. Nelo ngitshela sengifuna imali yami ngikhansela everything.
So mawuthi ufuna imali yakho bathini?
Saphala la bantu bazongibhadala ngoma ngenza i-date of cancellation basho bazobhadala. But even now bakabhadala nothing.
But why?
Mangikhuluma nomuntu athi mina ngamthemba mangikhuluma na the seller athi how can I trust the agent? So ngabona ukuthi abantu bangenze ukuthi badla bonke. So that's what they responded to. How can we trust the agent?
Manje ngithi uX anisiza ngani?
Mina but expecting ukusiza ngosithola imali yethu back because we've been trying for long.
Angikhomba amaphepha ukuthi ngiphathele.
Lama phela wasi-code lama.
So manje baseva bathini?
Baseva noleka attachment lapho.
Yeah.
Bathi basevile then
bathini?
bona mabasha balento lezimele sihlale angazi room yawo maybe than storage room lesiphathali so ngabona ukuthi i-process lento.
All right. Ithi ngithathe namaphepha ngiverify mase ngicedile ngizomthinta futhi. Yeah.
Yeah, ngoba nala nginamaphepha date of cancellation whereby ushilo ukuthi uzobhadala kanjani but even now lapho
half next. Angina stress. Bazongithinta bese sizongena.
ngizibhelela.
Sure. All right, ngingaphuma kanje. Amba phambili uThemba. Yikho la.
Nakuyena ntata.
Sanibonani ekhaya. Kunjani baba? No. Asihlale phansi mkhulu. Silungisa lento. Kunento engishisayo. Kunjani Themba? Hey, kunamanzi la. Lethame ngihamba nalo uyalazi?
Ya kakhulu.
Ulazi kanjani?
Bese
Benine deal. Benithini deal.
besibhayisela nathi Stella.
And then
Kunomuntu omunye ofuna ukuthi nabasitoni. Uyabona le growth banengilongihlele nayo.
yeah.
Engakuchazela engikhuluma. Ngilongiyamtshela ngithi kunestand la so kunomuntu osebuya manje uyadena. Akasipheli kahle yabo lesemali nje.
Ubani lo?
unomunye umfana bengimbekela kulesa.
Alright, awuthembi. Nangu lo muntu lo. Awumtshela ukuthi size ngani sifunani.
Ntate re tšhelete rona ba tšhelete rona because it's been se le khale. We are rota patala.
Which is true.
So azang or feel even a cent.
Tlo go bolella motho a sa le briefing hantle ke di o ya go bargain legal aid really rent eviction order. So uri because queue ya evicta motho o ne itse nna nka thola nyo nka ipatlela batho ba evicte motho go so that le gone o thola that is because le no ne qeta go le tshepo mathole wa bona.
That is story so for how long?
No.
From 2020.
Na inketsa in le nna di dentla go bolela.
Sondela mama. Le first part angiyizwa mama. Khuluma nge-first part mama. Kodwa intata unataba ya ngene.
Mamela.
Yeah.
Re kopane le wena ngwana ka na 3 years. Hona no o na le 9 years. How do you feel? O le motho mo kana re le bakana o re ropa next thing you lie to us or forge a signature or wa sign or from no re na tsona di pampiri go leng you know hore Mama Zalo waka o tlhokofetse since we wait. I lost 3 brothers. Baba tsibanta ba ba tlhokofetse at the moment. When you don't care, you don't even bother to check us. We still paying the rent there. How many years? How do you feel? Ngwana o godile we are still renting. No abuti. Sister has solving next abuti. Holy rent have no privacy.
Kanti wena kahle why ubashayashayela abantu mara
Next thing we just riska trust agent.
Ne manje ungangitshela ngamaphepha ungangitshela why ubashayashayela abantu.
Arabuka eviction.
Yeah. Right bona manje bona bakhalele kubani manje benze njani?
Ebona inhluphe ngoba nami nje ngingena lechweba lokubakaya benginga mind ukubanikeza back in but now nazi into ezingibambela emuva zokuthi umthetho angeke uzithathele
mina awuthamba ungazama usumuthuka umthetho yalijithi vala fanele kuphethe iphepha lo muntu and le phepha lakhe lithi acove anything of esemveli welizwa le phepha lithi lithi acove la kuwe namhlanje so le ndaba yakhe ipiki mabele na ispani fanele hlale endabeni ndoda ephi imali
lapho ngizama ukuqambela mangenyo
asingene phakathi ke awuthamba sikachitha isikhathi singasokolisani singashayashayani right ke manje uma uthi inyuka unayo ubabambisani mthana yini obabambisa yona mthana awuthamba ukungabikho kwale stand lezi njengoba bongitshela ukuthi kuqhawathini awumtshela ukuthi kuqhawathe kanjani
Ntate Paul. 6 tšhelete ngata ka wa dilo yang so le Pitori santse ne tshwarisa agent yo tumi and tse patala rent for 7 years wa se bona tšenge be ke agile di room kwa
my sister har ka bua le ntate and then okay ne lwena ka momra ha una bothata
ke pro ya
manje kwantile manje pro ya bona ende pro ya
Madam wa ga ka Osmaseko o na le temo mo a ke
umugcuzile
o ka Osmaseko
wena le di go
Kwatsa na bona re le ditlaela
ena re tla maro thole everything wa khio ga le ha tla maro thole a re thole bela
o le di
thole
bona no ke tsa zone
Ntate ano signa mo le lawyer o re o tlo re patala tšhelete ya rona e kae a ke re o dumetse wa sign
ka bolelle yes into ene re tere tloyetsa wa pula stand se no tsontse
ke botsa gore o saenetseng o le go tla re patala wa sa re patala because ke document e teng ya re tlo re patala
into e ilangetsa wena lwena gore itse ha ke re ke tlo fa yona ka di bits like negative 20
document yeah to we
agree
Going is like-
we tsa o ka ntsha 20,000 tikai
na le mthaka ko Marble Tower
ke le ga re
wena o ila 20,000 inyane ke itse ke tlanka 20,000
ke zo ke ye pa document ke zo thoma 20,000 ke ye pampiri
ke ba maphepha awuthamba nkaya maphepha esandleni
ke ye pampiri
awuthembi nkaya maphepha esandleni lithini kurani makunje
let me show you Rutu let me show you
awusifundele lapho bathini lapho
wabona yatsho gore an amount of 20,000 shall be paid on
or before the 18th December 2021. Your fish when?
Yes.
2021.
Yeah.
An amount of 12,000 shall be paid on or before the 28th of February 2022.
Okay.
The balance thereafter to be paid on or before the 31st of March 2022.
So my yonke lo nyukuleyo malini?
My yonke 20 plus 12,000 is 42,000 plus balance it guy 8,000 which is 50,000.
Alright, tisha. So kahle ukubamba 50.
Ngibamba 50.
Right, awuthiyami khuluma nabo ukuthi manje kwenziwa kanjani mayengekho inyuku ubabambisa ini or kwenzakalani?
Yazi into ebambekayo na kutomkhulu I don't know ukuthi ngathi yini, understand, but yabona nanga yikunamaphepha la ngiphuma ngawo illegal aid ukuthi bathi lo muntu at any given time bona bangamu evict. If not, mina ngezifunele abantu abazoya bazo evicta la
Manje wena ke uzameni after lapho.
thola ngitshela ukuthi kwenzakala. At first bathe bona bazongithumela nabo khata lapho siye sokhipha la muntu. From there sebayichange futhi bona bathi mina angezifunele lo yamuntu lo.
Manje wena kwalapho ukuthi uzifunele.
Bangithola la ngesena mali ke mina because bafuna 15,000 abantu la.
Right ke manje.
So far ngaphelelwa kusho ukuthi ngaphelelwa isipani yabo.
Manje wena bro
Ungaspani.
kena mo mama kena mo. Yeah, kena mo.
Story so Scotland. Story so Scotland. O sitlotse tsi lawyer ka 2022 before ki sebenza. Ke sa 2022. O fake motho mo founela ka phone a re hai ke tla kopana le wena re reke stand ke reke stand se o khona o patala batho ba. Ntate wena o tsotsi hantle. O tsotsi hantle no. Always o dula ntso blella batho. You remember o re ka tshepa agent in front of lawyer batho ba gore re go tsebe re ba tsebile ka wena agent re sa go tsebe agent ke ena at least Tumi o khona gore botsa gore rona we can trust Tumi. You remember
Tumi ma.
An agent. How
Tumi
Tumi ma. Tumi sole.
To me, I don't know his name is. I remember this. I know his name.
Alright, manje wena time awuna ungitshele, ne? Ungitshele step by step. Na indaba iyasuka 2021. Uyabashaya 2022 uyasana nezokhafa mara akwenzekini. 2023 wona manje lo muntu lo nombhayisela usahlezi la. Uthi bona bakuphi bona?
Kwenzakala kasokuthi
Abuti wena watsiba go itlhomola story so se bua nna ha ke senke because you've been lying to us o le motho wa mogolo. I'm sorry to say that, but you've been lying to us, mister. So now when I just accept o re jotse gore renke eng o tlhakantshe tšhelete ewa because we sebeleditse ka thata that time ke sa sebetse. Abo fa le banda we sacrifice lots of things.
Abo fele le banda.
We sacrifice lots of things gore re plela gore one day re be le ntlo ya rona.
Itshware mo mama. Awuthiyami imeli yakhe yakukhulumela ithi bo fasa ibhande. Bo fasa iphi le bhande?
No, nekithi imantu zengada ntatha.
Alright, sharp. Manje ndoda wona tshela mina ngitshela bangathi na yindlu igcwele siyayibona. Ama-fridge obunyonyonya ama-TV ngiyazibona zonke nama-couch akhona yini manje wona uthi okay niyazini ithi babambele izinto X mina mase ngihlanganisile ngibagaya inyuku yakho bazilethe ngoba ngiyakutshela namhlanje wafa ifinally namhlanje yeah namhlanje intombazana nomfana kuyanyiwa namhlanje basenywe
yazi nalo mele mina akekho
a re tlogele Osmasigo because I remember mantswe a gage o tshore nna a re bona re le ditlaela because we are dumb, we don't know nothing. Anytime a le batla go tla late ra re tla December you guys cancel
emapili a re lona le dromo.
Yeah, the way nothing kakateng or re anytime re batla o move we must move.
Unomlomo mna. Right ke wena tshela yena manje ukuthi wena yizini izinto ozibonile la kwisakhe or ufuna ukushaya ithoka kancane ukoba khona.
Ngathi inthoka ufela.
Ukuthi aliwathi chatha lo zintimo. Ngaka ufela.
Thatha bathi wethi ngole hadi we ithethe.
Khona king. le di-coach tsa ka di nka ntate kaofela kaofela
Losmasego mo bolele o re ditlaela tsa batswana this time di resolvile.
Kakhulu kuleto. Uma brother ngeke ngahamba naye.
Never.
Saya eFlakfontein ngombonisa indawo everything yabona. Nalo muntu beka ongembekeza namanje. Right? Diana uhamba madala side ungekho mina. Uya le. Ufuna ukukhipha lo mfana labafana.
Yona manga.
Ngilatsho njalo. Yes, that's what it said.
Maka ntate tota mo sanna remember e ke mokgwa seswedi ke tsamile lona ke na le tumi mo agent support firstly wena bo raya mole
wena o bona la lawyer it was
Delta Malwena
December
so se do nyane
ke santsane ke go fola
ne o bo hai raya mole ha re bita mole o ngri tshwefala is the same stand
ba bua gore ke gona mo o studio a re tliste teng mo so today you don't know your agent. Today you don't know him. Hey.
All right. Awuthiyami. Ngifeza ukuthi ubafake emarumini babone ukuthi yini abangayibamba kusho ukuthi uhambe nabo ngetho yabona. Then nizobe ningitshele something. Sukumani madoda ningene emarumini. Ngoba mina ngizela ukusebenza la mina. Ngizoshaya ispan sami. Baya nabo. Mina ngizoshaya ispan sami. Right mase nicedile nizobe nizongitshela ukuthi ne sibona ukuthi nokuthi. Kenang mo. Thomang mo.
Kona se bangithi hawe ke re. Ke fridge. Ayinga fridge.
Angeke ukuzo. Utlanga usabona. Ora kanjani? Nema ni awuthi yami lengaring nayo manje.
Ke ona ten room mo ke. So di room tsa tsa feng. Wakena shada rona. Into sa money boss. It's our money. Nasebenza kanthako. Mthoko is a corner system man. Usebenza kahle. Tamere ke ka tu mo ke di-crap fela. Tamere ka tu swile. Mo ke di-crap ka bona. Ke di-crap fela mo. Mo ke di-crap fela mo. Ke di-crap ke stop. Ke makhatha nje room. Makhatha mo. Ngangang. Ke so room ke makhatha. Le so bile ngikhuzo di money free stick makhatha. I share a fridge with a restaurator kind. We'll take this fridge as well. Tabon.
Kan madoda wani kana estorumu maraye. Wani kana wani ngilindlu mara nizala estorumu maraye. Nizama ukwenzani kahle kahle?
Storeroom
Ungenzani manje?
Storeroom.
Yini mara dideke?
Kuzo wedlahla ke storeroom udilahlile ntwe.
Okay, mara wayi ubadodla yiso.
Storage ntwe.
Ngibabuzile bathi bafuna ngibabuzile baya kupha.
Hey wena maka papa. Ufuna ukuthi maka. Matal. Come on.
Mara wayi bafake storeroom. La ulathela khona masakele manje ubakhomba khona. Neka siyendini. Asikwelendini. Uzona manje mthamba le. Mlande.
Ngiyamangala ukuthi kunani lapha. Makufika nge-storeroom.
Please. All right, ahlaleni phansi ke. Siyilungiseni la.
TV ranka.
Dula fasi mama rilukise. Hlala phansi ndoda.
Ipika ta fa sound system ya hore to service ranka.
Ranka le di-captain le gore ke batla le Osmasego a feel gore ke motho wa mme how I feel.
Uyaphi manje?
Ngifuna ukuthatha ifoni.
Into ungahle phansi ndoda wenzani manje?
Mana osala regarding something ngawo yo ndodinka.
Hey, animkhatheni umuntu angabaleki umuntu loyo. Alright, manje nina yini into eniyibonile so far so good?
La endlini sibone into esisithathayo. Ama-sofa, i-TV, nale fridge leyana e-kitchen. Ngoba kune-fridge lapha e-store room laphana athi yasebenza nayo i-freeze angazi ukuthi
ngingatsedi ka ntlo nkosi ka ko storeroom o isa ntho storeroom ka reason.
Urispedile.
Thank you.
So lento lezi azimeshi le mali
cheta patala yo serious never.
All right. Akuna flop ke. So nithi sicala i-TV, sithi sound system, sithi i-TV, sithi fridge ne-microwave.
Listen sesa high.
Listen.
Lady sofa.
Phela manje asingithatheni indlu yonke. Ndoda wosa ndoda kanti ukuphi manje?
Rinke ntlo ka ufela gore di khona mo phusha.
Right. Izinto ziyaphuma. Okay, thank you. Madoda i-TV yaphuma, istand siyaphuma, amasofa yaphuma, i-fridge yaphuma leyana.
Khathini
Yeah.
ngiyazwa.
asokola wena lithaka kuyabona ke ntonam nokile nyuku what's from nini from 2020 to 2026 now ari wasipana nka di-chance ari wasebetsa ntho a tsana sebetsa nasipana 2020 nasipana ka 2020 nasipana nini when 2020 2019 2017 ne when
Where I come from?
nasipana nini
Motati. That's fine, I'm a period. I get trouble. You know, I don't pay for around Barazo from
So,
yeah, like I'm going to stand the same. So, why is the hard job? Babata, Chelta, or not pay for yeah.
izophuma la
Babi, Ntea moja la webona
X-Repo.
X-Repo.
Yeah.
Ezo moja la. Yeah. So bangani mtoko if to the channel. Hara fala baba dani. Yeah, so I cannot raise 50 bucks, 60 square. When 50,000 you can look at
Ngangeni madoda. So ngifuna silungise indaba yohapa manje ukuthi uzomdayela nini ngenyoko yakhe akwazi ukuletha izinto zakho.
Uyakuletha Scotland.
La enye le.
Uyabona kwamanje ngoba source of government, but there's a possibility ukuthi ngalanda umshana ngizwe yena ukuthi singabekana kuphi
Umtshana wakho. Yeah.
and then if kungenzeka something sizohlanganisa mayihlangene singambiza kuzomele anginike ama-phone numbers because nale phone beniyasiqanisa bayincedi.
Oh, bayincedisa ne? Alright. Awumsendela ama-number phone or umpasi. So asenzeka sona nje. Mfanele ukuthi uhighlight at least ngizogaya boma 30 days yabo. Ukuthi manje uzama ukuyihlanganisa indaba le. And then in the meantime, lezi zinto lezi awuzisebenzisa. Isibeka safe. Awuzithinti. The way siphume ngakhona sibuya ngakhona. Umgaye izinto zakhe after SMS yenyuku seyingenile. Amgaye ama-bank details. I'll the account number.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mfanele ukuthi ungangipayisisi emakhathana. Wangipayisi. Bamba kaso. Asiphume isiyangaphandle mina la. Mama. Time. After minyaka neminyaka.
After minyaka mfethu.
Nazi izinto ziphumile vandag.
Siyabonga Protex.
Yeah.
Siyabonga Protex. Sicela lento wenzele thina wenze nabanye.
Yeah.
Yeah, and X-Repo is free of charge.
Yeah.
Na ngifuna ukubatshela abantu ukuthi akubhatala.
Yeah.
Siyabonga.
Mama good jwang?
Hayi nna ke tla ke le happy ke a leboga the way le re sebeditseng ka teng after dijana. Ke a leboga ke kopa o tswelle ntse le thuse ba bang.
Yeah.
Ke a leboga.
Right, it's a month from March. Lo muntu mangakhafi. Uyampelela manga ngomthule funa uye kuye street utendot. Senza kanjani ngale zinto zakho? Makabamba yeke uyasichachaza uyasiphanisa.
Yeah.
Uyangibamba?
Yeah.
All right. So ngifuna ukuthi ngikhomba amajithi ukuthi azibekele. Kumanika so. All mzansi, nawe kusasa kungaba uwe lo.
Buying property is a major financial decision, and for many people, purchasing a stand represents years of saving and planning. When someone finds a property they like and believes they have found a trustworthy seller, it can be easy to focus on the opportunity rather than the paperwork behind it. But what happens when you pay for a stand, only to discover that the property is still registered under someone else's name? In this episode, a man says he trusted someone he knew and believed he was purchasing a legitimate stand. He viewed the property, liked what he saw, and eventually paid the seller for it. He was then told that the paperwork was still being processed. At first, he was patient. But as time passed and he repeatedly asked for updates, the explanations continued. Eventually, he discovered something that raised serious questions about the entire transaction. The stand was apparently still in another person's name. The situation began when the man was looking for a stand. According to information presented during the confrontation, he knew the individual who offered to help him find one. Because there was already a level of familiarity and trust between them, the buyer believed he could rely on the information he was being given. The stand was shown to him, and after viewing the property, he reportedly liked what he saw. It appeared to be exactly what he was looking for. After discussions about the property, the buyer agreed to proceed with the transaction. Money was paid for the stand. At that point, he believed the deal had been completed and that the remaining process was simply the transfer and finalization of the necessary paperwork. However, according to his account, the seller explained that the documentation was still being worked on. The buyer decided to be patient. He understood that property transactions can involve paperwork, administrative processes, and delays. So instead of immediately becoming suspicious, he waited. As time passed, however, he began checking in for updates. Whenever he wanted to know what was happening with the stand, he says he would contact the seller. According to his account, the responses he received were often explanations for why the paperwork had not yet been completed. There was always another reason for the delay. At first, he continued believing that everything would eventually be resolved. After all, he had already viewed the property, paid for it, and trusted the person who had brought the opportunity to him. But eventually, the delays began to raise questions. The buyer wanted clear answers about when the stand would officially be transferred and when the documentation would be completed. The more questions he asked, the more concerned he allegedly became. It was then that a much bigger problem came to light. According to information presented during the confrontation, the stand was still registered under another person's name. The paperwork had apparently never been properly cleared or transferred into the seller's name. This immediately changed the situation. The buyer now had to question how the seller could have sold him the stand if the property was still registered to someone else. What had initially appeared to be a normal property transaction suddenly became a dispute over ownership and authority to sell. The buyer had already handed over his money. He had already viewed the property. He had trusted the person who presented the stand to him. But now he was faced with the possibility that the person who accepted his money was not actually the registered owner of the property. For the buyer, this was not simply an administrative delay anymore. It raised questions about what exactly he had paid for and whether the person selling the stand had the legal authority to complete the transaction. The seller, meanwhile, had to explain why the property had been sold before the ownership and paperwork had been properly resolved. The buyer's patience had now turned into frustration. He wanted answers about his money, the stand, and the paperwork. The situation also demonstrates how quickly trust can disappear when a major financial transaction does not proceed as expected. What began as an opportunity to purchase a stand eventually became a confrontation over ownership, documentation, and responsibility. Significant information. Property transactions can involve complicated documentation, and ownership should always be properly verified before money changes hands. A person showing someone a property does not automatically mean that person has the legal authority to sell it. This case highlights why buyers should verify who the registered owner is and whether the person selling the property has the necessary authority to enter into the transaction. It also shows why verbal assurances should not replace proper documentation. Being told that paperwork is being processed may sound reasonable, but buyers need to understand exactly what stage the transaction is at before committing significant amounts of money. One of the biggest lessons from this story is to verify ownership before paying for property. Buyers should establish who legally owns the stand and confirm that the seller has the authority to sell it. Another important lesson is to avoid relying solely on personal trust. Knowing someone personally does not guarantee that a property transaction is legitimate. Buyers should also keep copies of agreements, proof of payment, receipts, and all communication relating to the transaction. If there are delays, it is important to ask specific questions and request evidence of progress rather than relying only on verbal promises. Most importantly, major financial transactions should be approached carefully, even when the seller is someone you know. Perhaps the most concerning part of this story is how the transaction began. There was no immediate reason for the buyer to believe that something was wrong. He knew the person. He viewed the stand. He liked the property. He paid his money. When he was told that the paperwork was still being processed, he chose to be patient. That patience may have been based on trust. But when the truth about the ownership became a concern, the entire transaction looked very different. This is why documentation is so important in major financial decisions. Trust can encourage people to move quickly, but proper verification can protect them when something goes wrong. The buyer may now be left asking a simple question: why was the stand sold to him before the ownership issue had been resolved?